How to fix mobile data not working on Snapchat. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your mobile data. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of cellular, make sure you have enough data. Then you can head back. You can enable for the option of airplane mode. This will refresh your cellular data. Now wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Now you can try to use your Snapchat. Next up, what you want to do is check for the updates for the app Snapchat. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Snapchat and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you wanna do is close this, launch your settings, head towards the option apps, navigate to the app Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Make sure you have enabled for the option of background app refresh, likewise data. After you check all these settings, you will be good to go. If none of these solutions work, give a fresh restart to your device and then connect to data again and then try to use the Snapchat. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix mobile data not working on Snapchat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.